Hello there. This is my review on the Zippo Gold lighter. Um, yeah, it's a pretty good lighter. Um, doesn't have any oil in it right now, but it looks pretty good. It's really old, like really old. Um, yeah, so like it has the wait, let me take it out. The the centerpiece where like the actual fluid goes into. It's Zippo brand. It's real. It lights. Just doesn't have any fluid in it. You have your where you put your fluid in and your little flint thing. Um, Other than that, it's a pretty good lighter. I mean, um, I wouldn't recommend it for cigar smokers or anything like that, but it's a pretty good lighter. Yeah, it's just pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the problem with Zippos is that they're not watertight, so you do lose some of your fluid. But I mean, it is more classier and you look cooler when you use one of these things. You know, you do tricks with it. It's pretty good, and that's it. I mean, I give it a 5 out of 5. It's pretty good. So yeah, get one.